I'm Lori Clowers. In this month's news update, nearly 500 prospective students and their families came to Wake Tech's Fall Open House on the Southern Wake campus. There were campus tours and information about programs and resources. We also offered on-the-spot assistance with admissions applications. Wake Tech has unveiled plans to expand the Perry Health Sciences campus. A new 120,000 square foot facility will enable the college to expand nursing and other high-demand health sciences programs. It will feature a simulation hospital for students in multiple disciplines to learn in a real-life setting. Construction of the new facility hinges on passage of the Wake Tech Workforce Forward Bond in November. The Wake Tech Board of Trustees unanimously approved a resolution in support of the bond at its October meeting. Two university partnerships to tell you about. Wake Tech has signed an agreement with Shaw University that allows students in our IT programs to transfer into some bachelor degree programs at Shaw. And a new partnership at North Carolina A&T offers similar opportunities for Wake Tech IT and biotechnology graduates, with the added benefit of having A&T co-locate at our RTP campus so that Wake Tech graduates can finish their bachelor's degree right on our campus. Wake Tech culinary and baking students had a great showing at the annual American Culinary Federation competition at the Scott Northern Wake campus. More than 40 medals were handed out to students, and Raisa Villarreal Rivas won Best in Show for her sugar showpiece, inspired by the flag of Venezuela. This year's Scott Scholars have been announced. The Scott Scholars program is Wake Tech's most prestigious scholarship. This year's recipients are Taj Hewitt, who's originally from Jamaica and is involved in the STEM academic research program, and the other is Andrew Orkaloff, who's pursuing a radiography degree. Wake Tech and Fujifilm Diosynth recently celebrated the Fujifilm Diosynth Early College Suite at the RTP campus. The suite is home to the Wake Early College of Information and Biotechnologies, which opened this fall. And finally, Wake Tech mourns the loss of benefactor and friend Martha Mann Smith. In 2018, Mrs. Smith, a retired nurse, donated $1 million to our nursing program. In recognition of her generosity, the program was renamed the Martha Mann Smith School of Nursing. And that's the latest Wake Tech news.